friends, welcome to my channel Ayurvedic Nidan. Today I am going to tell you benefit of water chestnut, that is called singada in Hindi. So friend, before starting my video, I request you to subscribe my channel and please share my video if you like my information in this video. So let's start the video. I'm going to tell you about water chestnut. It is a black colored fruit with single white seed inside. The edible part of the seed and the most outer part is usually look unattractive. This fruit is not available throughout the year but also after beginning of monsoon until the start of winter in seasons. The white chestnut fruit has resemblance to the head of bull, so it is also called buffalo nut. This fruit is primarily cultivated for fleshy and juicy seeds, which is somewhat triangular in shape and usually white in color. Commonly, it is called singhara. Water chestnut is also known as few other names like water caltrop, devil pod, death flower, etc. Whenever you purchase water chestnut, ensure that you buy only those which look firm and free from wrinkles. The fruit should be thoroughly rinsed before consumption. The unpeeled water chestnut can be preserved for up to a week if it is stored in refrigerator. So it's the best way to eat is before consumption, peel out the outer layer. Singaras are sweet fruit which has to be consumed raw or roasted. It can also be preserved for longer time if it is grounded into flour. Southeast Asian countries, especially the Chinese cuisine, cannot be imagined without the crunchy sweet flavor of the water chestnut. Interesting part is that it steamed water chestnut tastes just like potatoes. Singhada flour is used to make rotis, puris, and other food items during the festival of Navratris in India. This fruit can be used to make juices too. Singhada is cultivated in India date back to more than 3000 years. It is now cultivated and commercialized in number of countries including Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Thailand, China, Taiwan and other countries like Australia. Plant is grown in lakes, marshes and even in small pond. It is rich organic content and good sunlight are essential for its growth. It is not only used for cooking but also widely used in Ayurvedic and Unani medicines. It is known to have innumerable medicinal values and it excellent coolant for the body. It is low in cholesterol, that's why the ideal for snack options. They also have anti-cancer, antibacterial, antioxidant properties. This fruit is native to Europe, Asia and Africa. It has many nutritious facts. True to its name, uh, water chestnut means it is full of water. The 70% of chestnut is full of water, and the rest consists of moderate amount of vitamins and minerals. Being the source of dietary fibers, antioxidant, and having no cholesterol in it, it is considered very healthy food. It has lots of water in it and has lots of benefit in many diseases like diabetes. With rapidly increasing number of patients of diabetes, it is the one of the most dreaded disease in the world. It is basically led to an impairment of body's ability to produce or response to insulin hormone, which in turn result with elevated amount of glucose in the blood. Water chestnut has been used in an anti-diabetic in traditional medicines. Animal studies suggested that methanol extract of water chestnut peel significantly reduce the blood sugar levels of the body. A recent study indicates that water chestnut has several hypoglycemic compound which increases uptake of glucose from the bloodstreams. It is good for inflammation also. Inflammation is a physical condition in which the body part becomes swollen, reddish, or in any other caused discomfort and painful conditions. It happened a reaction to infected or injury. The study further report that the chestnut medicates an anti-inflammatory response to inhibiting secretions to certain inflammatory cytokinesis. It is very good for memory conditions also, and many studies shows that water chestnut is very beneficial for brain. Due to its antioxidative properties, water chestnut may consider neuroprotective. An excess of free radicals may lead to rapid uh, peroxidations, which can process of oxidases degradations of lipid in the cell membranes. Lipid degradation eventually leads to the cell damage. Such damage in the brain could lead to neurodegenerative diseases. But it use of chestnut can help to protect from these diseases. Water chestnut is very good for immunity. All human bodies need immunity to fight with many disease and viruses. And it is found that the extract was capable of modifying regulating immune functions. It was further noted that the water chestnut extracts stimulate a type of white blood cell which is called neutrophil productions. Further studies claim that water chestnut can stimulate both cellular and hormonal arm of immune system, and it improves immunity. It has antimicrobial properties and many other beneficial properties hypertension patient can consume water chestnut, and in hypertension or high blood pressure conditions, uh, it is marked that excessive pressure on the arterial walls. It is one of the major cause of stroke or heart diseases. It may because high level of potassium in them. The water chestnut has a high amount of potassium, so using water chestnut you can cure your disease. Water chestnut can uh, used in sunburn, fatigue, low back pain. It is full of energy. When you consume water chestnut, you can notice that you are full of energy. They are also known for anti-cancer properties. This is also known. It is also used to cure pilia disease, eye disorder. Unani medicine, water chestnut is used for fertility also. Water chestnut has various enzymes including amylase, lipase, and invertase. So it can be also used in nutrition supplement for the enzymes. So it can be used in many good ways, but it has some side effect. Along with the above mentioned benefits, water chestnut is found to have some side effect also. If you eat more, you will have a stomach ache, nausea, vomiting, occur excessive consumption of water chestnut. Water chestnut has been found to possess hypoglycemic properties. So, if you are diabetic person or you are in medications of diabetes or have low blood sugar levels, it is best to talk to your doctor while taking this. Singada has been known to reduce blood pressure because hypotensive people are advised not to take singada in any way. Water chestnut is one of the best food for health or for well-being. It is cholesterol free and have no fat content. So, eating water chestnut is very useful and helpful in many ways. What I have mentioned in my video. So friend, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and try to share my video more and more. Thank you friend for watching my video.